In this video, I'll show you how to create a producer tag using Suno AI. First, go to suno.com and click on the Create tab. Toggle on Advanced Mode to get full control over the lyrics and style settings. In the lyrics field, type your producer tag exactly how you want it to be said. Use square brackets to tell the AI how to deliver it. For example, you could type something like, "Whisper, it's NFX on the track," or "Shout, beats by producer name." You can also try tags like announcer, echoing vocals, or giggling to get a unique sound. Now go to the Style of Music field. Instead of typing a full genre, focus on describing the vocal tone. Use tags like clean vocals, dry voice, monologue, or no instruments to keep the background minimal. If you want a more experimental sound, try turning up the weirdness slider to around 60%. Once everything is set, click Create. Suno will generate 2 versions of your tag. Listen to both and pick the one with the best vocal delivery. If there's too much background music in the result, reprompt using the silence or acapella tags. Now you need to isolate the vocal. If you're on a Pro or Premiere plan, use Suno's built-in stem extractor to separate the vocals from any background noise. If you're on the free plan, download the MP3 and use an external tool like lalal.ai to remove the background. Finally, import the isolated vocal into your DAW. Add reverb or delay for a sense of space, use EQ to cut out muddy low frequencies, and add pitch shifting to give it a signature sound. That is how you do it.